Now the questions that we will discuss in each problem are what? Let's check. What is the problem asking you to find? How could you model this problem? What could you draw to represent this problem? And what is important to remember when solving the story problems? Now let's check problem 1. Osman built a planter box for his backyard. The length of the planter was, let's check, was 150 centimeters. And the width was 90 centimeters. And the height of the box was 120 centimeters. Osman poured soil inside the box up to 100 centimeter height. Now, what is the volume of the planter box? What is the volume of the soil? Now, let's discuss the 4 questions that we have. First, what is the problem asking you to find? We should calculate the volume of the box and the volume of the soil. Now, we can represent it through drawing. What will we draw to represent it? We are going to draw a box and label the dimensions. So we will draw the box like this in this shape of a rectangular prism. And then we're going to write the length is 150 centimeters. The width is 90 centimeters and the height is 120 centimeters. The soil inside the box will be represented by this shaded parts like this. And we will write its height as 100 centimeters. Now we have represented the problem. Now the 4th question is, what is it important to remember when solving the story problem? Now my students said that we should know exactly what we want to calculate. So what information we have can be used in the solution and what we will still need to calculate to find the solution. Great, let's solve the problem together. We are asked to find the volume of the box. So we will use the volume formula, which is equal to what? Let's write it together. Length times width times height. So we're going to multiply the dimensions together, which are what? Let's write. We have 150 times 90 times 120. And this is for the what? The volume of the box. Right, like that. And this is going to be equal to 1,620,000 cubic centimeters. So let's write the volume together. So 1,620,000 cubic centimeters, like that. Now, how do we calculate the volume of soil? Exactly. We will use the dimensions of the soil, and the difference between the dimensions of the soil and the dimension of the box are in the height only. So to find the volume of the soil, we are going to multiply what? Let's check. 150 times 90 times 100. With that, our volume is going to be 1,350,000 and then centimeter cubed or cubic centimeters. So this was the answer of problem 1.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.